Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a tree. A realistic tree that you can have in your Roblox game. It won't sacrifice too much performance. It'll be pretty much low in triangle count is what I should say. It'll be good for lag. Best way I can put it for Roblox. So, let's get into it. Open up Blender, and if you don't have Blender, I'll have a link in the description. But I have it open. And what you're going to want to do is go to File, User Preferences, go up here under Add-ons, search up Sapling, S-A-P-L-I-N-G. Click the check mark right here. It's already checked for me, but that's because I already have it. Okay, after you've done that, save user settings and exit. Delete the cube by pressing X. Press Shift A. Add a new curve, sapling tree gen. Press Shift F to move around. And look at the wireframe of your tree. Is it how you want it? If so, press bevel, and then you're done. However, you can play with the settings here. I like pine trees because I live in California and, they're all around me. So, I'm going to make a pine tree. So, I'm going to go custom shape. Turn this down a bit. I'm going to make it bigger at the bottom and smaller at the top, like a pine tree. That looks about right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, pine tree. There we go. So, we have our pine tree, but we have a problem. It's a curve. So, if you click it and press tab, you'll notice that it's a curve. Now, this is an issue. We don't want it to be like this. We want it to be in polygons. So, we're going to press in object mode, Alt C, and then you press mesh from curve. Now you can see it's made out of polygons or triangles, whatever. It's only 2,500 triangles, so it's pretty low poly. But we don't want it to look low poly. We want it to look realistic. So, what I suggest you do is look up on Google Images seamless tree texture. Or if you're trying to make a specific tree, look up seamless, pine tree texture. And then after you've done that, open up a new tab right here. Go down here. Press UV Image Editor. And after you've done that, go here, under Textures, click that, press New, or no, here. Go up here, right? Click Cycles Render. Press New, Image Texture, Open. Go to your documents. You should have your image saved under documents. Go to wherever you have your texture, and I have it right here, tree texture, seamless bark texture.jpg. So, you have your texture applied, and if you were to press Ctrl F and go in on your model, you can see that it looks terrible. So, we want to fix this. To do that, you simply need to go into edit mode by pressing tab, scrolling out on this, and then pressing S and scaling it up. And you can see it's a little bit stretched upwards, so you go into edit mode again, press S, Y, and scale it down. Scale it down. Okay. Now it looks like a tree. That's a nice realistic tree. But we're not done yet. We gotta add leaves. We'll do that in Roblox though. So, go to File, Export, FBX, Tree, or Tree. Export FBX. Open up Roblox. Go to Roblox Studio, of course. Just wait for it to load a little bit. Sorry for not posting for a while. You know, with the last video I had, I'm doing custom tutorials. That was a total bust. That was really irresponsible of me. I shouldn't have made that video because I got overloaded, you know, a few days after I made that video, you know, with finals and everything like that for high school. I'm just really sorry. I'll try not to make any false promises again. I won't. It's my fault. I apologize about that. Anyway, and I'll also try uploading on a more frequent schedule because I've been neglecting that too, so. Alright, so under properties for your mesh part that you, by going insert object, mesh part, mesh ID, get your tree, open, yes, no, wait for that to load in. What? Oh, okay, hold on. This probably won't happen to you, but it happens to me a lot. Foliage. Sometimes you have to change the name because Roblox likes to be a bitch sometimes. Foliage. Foliage FBX. Okay. See, we have our tree. Let's turn on shadow map so it looks nice. Okay. Now you have your tree. Looks good, right? Now you can apply wood to it and have it be like that, but we want a realistic tree. We want a good looking tree. So we're going to apply our texture under texture ID. Add image, choose file, documents. Textures, I don't see it. Textures, alright. Right here. Pine bark. Pine bark. It'll load in a few seconds. Hopefully. If not, we're gonna have to reopen Studio. Alright, looks like we're gonna have to reopen Studio. Oh, great. Okay. Edit. If your texture doesn't load, it most likely means you have to reopen Studio, which is fine, but it's just tedious. Alright. Also, make sure to subscribe. I'm planning on uploading a lot more frequently, and I'm sorry about the terrible upload schedule. I'll try and upload every week from now on. Alright, let's see if our tree's texture is loaded. Yes, here we go. Fantastic. Alright, so we have our tree right here. Nice and realistic. Now here's the harder part. Put in a part, scale it down a lot, like that thick, and scale it here. Insert object, decal, my bad. And so you're gonna want to go in Google Images and find a PNG for the leaves that you want to use. I already did it, and you're gonna want to import it under texture. Here, let me see if I can find it. I put it here somewhere. I think it's this. Yeah, and then you're gonna want to make the brick transparency 1. Or actually, oh no, this is not a PNG here. Let me get the, sorry, wrong one. Let me get the PNG here. Where is it? Is it this? I know I have it somewhere, but you get the point, you know. Okay, there we go. Now this obviously isn't a pine tree, but I couldn't find the one that I wanted. So after you've done that, move it up. Add this on both sides. You see? And then after you've done that, this is the harder part. You want to trace each and every one of these branches. Now you can go to whatever detail that you want. I usually do about 1 or 2 per branch. I know some people who make it like nice and curved, but that just sacrifices game performance, and you don't want to have a laggy game, do you? I realize this looks kind of janky, but that's because, you know, this isn't the tree or the leaf textures I was planning on using, so I apologize for that. It'll still turn out well. Anyway, you get the point. You're gonna want to trace each and every one of these branches. Don't leave any branches unchecked. See, for longer ones like these, you're gonna need to duplicate this. Maybe put it down. Maybe rotate it. There. So if you look at it from the bottom, it looks like a nice tree. And just imagine that for every branch. Alright, so I'm obviously not going to do it because it's very tedious, and it's just not worth doing it for the video. You get the point. You know what to do. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I'll try and upload a lot more. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, or not. You don't have to if you don't want to. You know, if this isn't the type of content that you want, I totally get that. Just have a good day. I'll see you.